Rebecca. I'm going to make a layout with you guys today. It is almost 9 o'clock at night, so it's kind of late and the lighting's not very good. It's pitch black out, but I just thought I would show you the design I created. Now, the colors that you see on here are not the colors that this is going to be. I just like to group things all of the same color so that you can get more than one thing on one mat. That way I can just move the pieces around instead of having to deal with all the different little colors. So this is my design. Most of this is from the Tinkerbell and Friends cartridge. So you cannot buy that on Design Space. You have to purchase the cartridge separately. But I think this layout's going to turn out really cute. The swirl that you see on the photo mat, I cut that off after just because it didn't work with the photo I chose. But I'm going to go ahead and set up my tripod and we'll get started. So I've got my layout set up and ready to go. Again, I'm using the Wild Asparagus paper pad by My Mind's Eye. I just love this paper pad and all the different designs in it. I'm using the striped one today. So I've been using this for almost every layout lately. And I think I only got it. It only cost me like $7 or $8 because it was a hot buy. So what I've done is I have a piece of cardstock. That's just 12 by 12. And then I took my pattern paper and I cut it at 11.5 by 11.5 to give it this nice border. Everything has been inked up with tea-dye distress ink. And I'm going to go ahead and start putting things on. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on my photo. And this is the photo I chose. And like I said, I cut off that little swirl that was there. And it's just a picture of me and my mom on my graduation ceremony day when I graduated from university to become a teacher. And I love this picture and I love how we look in it. And this necklace is like my favorite necklace and I can't find it. My husband got it for me and I can't find it. And then these earrings that I'm wearing here are my favorite pair of earrings, but one night I went out and one of them fell out, so I was not very happy, but I have them in a picture at least. So I'm going to go ahead and put this here, and I think I'll end up putting bling there. I'm not 100% sure. And then I have my flowers that are from the Tinkerbell cartridge. Now I don't have any sizes for any of these because I use Design Space for everything, and you basically just fit it to how you want it, and that's how it works. So I don't have sizing for anything, but here's this one. So I just did 2 of them. I thought they would look really good as nice side embellishments. Then I have the word brilliant cut out, and it's gonna go here, but see how this is hanging? I'm just gonna tuck that behind, I think, and then have this tucked up. So I still got some swirl, but it's not covering my photo. So that's what I'm going to do with that. And I thought brilliant was great since this was my graduation. And then I cut out these butterflies in 3 different sizes and 3 different colors. So I'm just going to randomly put these on in different spots. And these have all been inked as well. And that's pretty much my layout besides extra embellishments. Now I do have some little flower cutouts too that are the insides of these flowers. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna like just scatter them around or if I was just not gonna use them. I haven't decided yet. They're kind of cute, but I don't know if they go. So I have to figure that out. But anyway, that's pretty much my layout. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything adhered down. And then we'll come back and take a look at the finished product. So I finished my layout. I added
some Recollections bling here. This was just one bling and I cut it in two and it came with these butterflies, so I added those to add some extra sparkle in this like empty space. I added a few rhinestones. These are also Recollections. They had that sale where they're like everything was 50% off, so I picked up a bunch of different little embellishments like that. And then I just used Studio G glitter glue, nothing fancy. I've had this forever. Got it for $1, and I just glittered the flowers and the leaves and the name, and I glittered the butterflies. And then with all the butterflies, the only part I glued down was the middle so that they'll stand up a little bit. And I really love how this turned out. I think it's a really, really pretty layout. And then right here, I'm just going to write, as soon as I remember it, the date. It was sometime in 2010. I just can't remember the month right now. So when I remember, then I'll write the date right there. And then that will finish the layout. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more from me, I have been doing some vlogs because I'm on spring break right now. And those are over on my other channel called Becca's Stories. So I'll put a link to that channel below if you're interested in watching vlogs. I'm going to keep this channel pretty much just crafting, and so my other channel, it started out as a journey on trying to conceive, and it's just kind of, I've moved away from that and gone into just kind of daily life. And since I'm on spring break, I've been vlogging every day. So if you're interested in that, I'll put the link below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.